Car Story research indicates this vehicle as certified pre-owned, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include keyless ignition, hands-free Bluetooth integration, panorama sunroof. With these ratings, we are pleased to show you the 2018 X1. Based on the BMW 3 Series, the X1 is a compact crossover SUV. Slightly smaller than the X3, the X1 gives you all the refinements, power, and style of other BMWs in a slightly smaller, sporty, and easy-to-navigate option, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power liftgate, keyless entry, power passenger seat, navigation system, backup camera, air conditioning, panoramic moonroof, dual airbags, power steering. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
To be eligible for the Certified Pre-Owned Vehicle Program, a BMW must pass a thorough inspection by factory-trained technicians. Stop into your local BMW dealer today and ask to see the BMW Certified Pre-Owned Inspection Checklist. It is your assurance that pre-owned BMW you are purchasing retains the quality, reliability, and overall pleasure that BMW owners have come to expect. Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.
Come see us at Alderson Cadillac. We have a great selection. We have great people. We value our customers before, during, and after the sale. We're generations deep in luxury since 1949.